My, I have had quite the day. I've massacred a whole movie theater full of civilians, robbed and shot a poo for the millionth time. I've really lost count. Damn. I really need to get. Ooh, what are they showing here? I married my father. A movie about incest. My, I've got to see that at some point. But still, I need to get Wolfie and the boys together. I want to fuck up Silverback some more, really. What's this? Oh. Really? My. I mean, Wolfie was supposed to meet me here any second now, but he's late. Honestly, was cutting his tongue out not a strong enough message to put him in his place? Honestly, he's my bitch pet and he's got that privilege. Honestly, I mean, people would die for that position, literally. Maybe I should launch some fireworks into the street. Wait, who's that? Wolfie, is that you? Wolfie! You're bleak. What happened? Tell me. Speak to me. Oh yeah, maybe. It's moments like these I wish I hadn't cut out your tongue, but still, it's hilarious all the way home. You gotta wait, Wolfie. Oh my God, you look fucked up. We gotta get you out of here, Wolfie. Take it easy, Wolfie. I know we can see that movie another time, okay? Just take it easy, buddy. Okay? Yeah, just drink plenty of medicine and you'll be fine, buddy. Wolfie, I don't look it now, but I'm worried about you, buddy. But still, whoever did this is gonna fucking pay!
Don't ask.
Fuck off! Wolfie, no! Sergeant Squid, good job in stabbing Silent Wolfie. With him out of the way for a while, dealing with monkey madness should be a lot easier.
Yes, sir.
Early bird, just the pigeon I want to see. Follow me.
Okay, boss.
Now, gentlemen, we can get down to business. Early bird, I am extremely disappointed with you. Do you know why?
No.
Get out of my face, you're too close. I heard
Okay.
that Monkey Madness and Silent Wolfie shot up your men at the graveyard. What do you have to say about this?
I don't know, boss.
You don't know. Well, I know. You should have been there helping them deal with those pests. I am very disappointed in you. Sergeant Squid, give me an update report on our drug labs.
I'll get him
So,
back.
Monkey Madness has destroyed 5 of our labs recently.
Damn it! Monkey Madness is becoming a real pest in my operations. Early bird, I want you to go and deal with Monkey Madness once and for all. And if you fail, Sergeant Squid here will slit your throat. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. Now go and fly away. Alright then. Sergeant Squid. I want you to ensure that the rest of our labs are operational at 100%. And if anything goes wrong, make sure that it is operating properly with proper procedures.
Okay,
Good. You're dismissed.
thank you.
It's not looking good, at least. Wolfie should make a good recovery within a few days, but I still need to get back at Silverback for what he's done. I need some serious cheering up. Maybe I'll go and slaughter a poo again, or maybe get an orgy. Wait a minute. minute. What the fuck's that? Who are you? Ah! Ah! What the fuck just happened? Ah! Alright, I'm moving, bird brain. Ah! Ow!
Madness.
Squidward!
You missed.
We meet again.
You've interfered with my boss's business too much recently. So I'm gonna leave you with my comrade over here. Pigeon. See all these shattered pieces of pottery on the floor? Yeah, leave his brains like that. Kill him.
Oh, this will be fun.
Tell me where my boss's drugs are.
Screw you, bird brain. Ow! Alright,
Tell me
okay.
now?
You wanna know where the drugs are?
Why
You
do
wanna know
why
where
do
the
you
drug-
think I'm here?
Alright, screw you!
Get the fuck away from him!
Wait, what the fuck's going on? What? Did he just... Who's that?
Wait a second. I know you.
Do you?
From the news. You're Monkey Madness.
Yeah, the famous mafia animal crime boss. That's me.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was just about to get fucked up by Silverback's associates until you showed up. Who might you be?
Oh, I can't really think of a name for myself.
Alright, how about I call you Ghost?
Oh yeah, sure, that'll do.
Yeah, you're white like a ghost, so that'll do. Alright then, well, I need a replacement for Silent Wolfie until he gets better, so you want a job?
Sure.
Alright, you're hired. Let's get out of here. So, he has the head.
Yes.
Good.
The bird is captured. He's captured Monkey Madness and yes, he's dead.
Music to my ears. I've been waiting for this day a long time. Now let's go and pick up my new wall decoration, Sergeant. Let's go. I've been waiting for this moment a very long time. Early bird, I trust you have a present for me.
Um,
Where is the head?
I don't.
You mean to tell me that you had Monkey Madness right here, and you could have killed him, and yet you let him get away? Sergeant Squid, you know what to do.
So you're saying you had him here, I saw him here, and you decided to just let him go? You idiot.
Alright, that's enough, that's enough. Alright then. Early bird, I'm going to give you one more chance. If you fail me again, you will die screaming. This I will promise you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good. This time, don't fuck things up. Just kill him, then bring me his head, and don't waste time capturing him. Do I make myself very
Yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Sergeant, let's go.
Boss, you go get in the car, I'll just need a little chat. Get it done, or you'll know the consequences. Get it done. Now.
Do you think he'll fail us again, Sergeant?
I hope not.
Yes. And even
No,
if he
no
does,
telling.
he needs replacing anyway. Damn, those P&Qs just keep getting cheesier and cheesier, Ghost, I gotta say. What do you think?
Yup.
You know, I was partly tempted to rob that place, but Apu wasn't in today. Really disappointing.
Well, thanks for getting me those supplies, though.
Yeah, no problem. Well, it's the least I could do for you saving my ass yesterday. Yeah, so anyway, maybe one day maybe we can get the crew together and maybe we can treat them to a movie or something. I don't know. That'd be cool.
At the theater?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can go there and bomb it or something for a laugh. Maybe give the police something to complain about.
Yeah.
You dumb ape.
Is that early bird? Get him! What's
Get him
going
now.
on? It's time for me to finally roast this pigeon.
Whoa, that was a cool explosion.
Come here, you fucking pigeon! Get him! He's not getting away from me this time.
Oh,
Jesus, Ghost, where do you learn to drive?
sorry, the engine is in a bit of a weird thing right now.
Oh, you still picking up his signal on the scanner?
Yeah, I think I am. Starting to lose it. I gotta speed up.
Yeah, you better. Wait a minute, I think I know where this bird is going.
KFC to give himself up.
That's a good one. I'll steal that for later. No, when I'm done with
That'll
it.
give me some credit.
Yeah, I'll give you some credit. No, but I'm still later. Wait,
Maybe we
it
can
looks like
call
he's
that
going.
silver
Looks like
back.
he's going to the pier.
God, he's going on the highway though.
Sound like a squeaky toy.
You look like a stuffed animal that just came
Are
out.
you that? Yeah, it definitely did come out wrong.
Looks like he's getting off his bike at the end. We better get him. Stop here. Stop. Early bird! It's time we finally settled this once and for all. I'm going.
Oh, your boyfriend over there, huh?
Go stay out of this. This is personal. This is for Silent Wolfie.
Ah, shit. I'll clear him out.
You know what? Screw it. Screw fighting you fairly. Early bird, come with me. I've got a gun on you, so come with me quietly.
And I've got a gun on you.
Follow me this way. Let's take you to the end of the pier. You shouldn't have used up all your ammo. This way. That's it. To the water. I've been waiting a very long time for this moment.
Make sure to aim for the head.
Oh, I will. Have you any last words, pigeon boy?
What the hell?
You first. That couldn't have gone any better. Come on, Ghost. Let's go to the strip club and celebrate.